Hello guys and welcome to Brickstars. In today's video we're going to be looking at this set from Lumibricks. Lumibricks was generous enough to send us this set, and we've reviewed some of their sets in the past. We're big fans of the quality of these sets, how they look, and kind of how they integrate with really the rest of our collection. And it's no secret that we're big fans of Westerns, so when they reached out to us about this set we were super excited. So in this video, we're going to take you through a little bit of the build, talk a little bit about the quality, the design, some neat aspects. Here you can see the instructions are really good quality. They definitely have a luxurious feel to them. They're beautifully printed and very clear and easy to follow. And the part callouts and bag identifiers are all well done. So great stuff on the instructions. And then everything's nicely packed in this box. And then we do get the electrical items that come with Lumibrick sets. So if you're not familiar with Lumibricks, obviously they're similar to a lot of block brands. But what makes them unique is every set features lights. So it kind of adds a different element to it, and you'll see towards the end of the video how cool the sets look when they're lit up. I think they do a great job of that. So here you see all the bags, very similar to other brands. They're numbered, they're distributed, a couple bags and then some parts on the side. We get some accessory elements, some big plate elements, and again, very reminiscent, very similar molds to other things, so they can integrate with your collection overall. And in this case, instruction manual number 1 tells us which one to start with and kind of what's included, a little bit of history on the company, and then explains some of the lore. What we found really interesting with this was that a lot of the characters have names, they have stories, there's effort really put into this. That kind of reminds me of how things were done back in the day with some other brands that I almost feel like is being lost nowadays. So it's nice to see the quality and effort that Lumibricks is putting in. And the first couple pages are kind of explaining in general how to do the electrical, and then you get into the minifigures all at once. And we've got 4 characters in this set, and I think they all look pretty cool. They do all have front and reverse printing. And the Lumibricks figures kind of remind me of those jelly beans from when I was a kid, magic beans that were also a collectible. They kind of have that round shape. So moving on to the build, you can see the base plate here has a layered effect, which kind of makes it look more realistic. There's some neat features here that we see throughout the set, and all the parts are printed, which we thought was fantastic as we were building this. No sticker sheet, but there's probably 20 or 30 parts and they're all printed. Interestingly enough, it doesn't look like they're all pad printed. Some of them look to be a different type of technology, which is pretty cool. And you know, it just adds to the set. It makes it look more realistic. Here you can see the details of the interior, tons of little builds. So this particular set is the Carpentry workshop, and obviously it features the workshop. It features some saws, a lot of wood, tools, and this secret office area. So that's what kind of opens when you turn the chair. Interesting little feature to add there. And just another look at the instructions and kind of the parts that you get. Beautiful colors, consistent colors, so the quality is definitely great. And the clutch power on these is fantastic as well. So I found with some other brands, the clutch power isn't always there, or there's maybe miscolored pieces, but not with this. This is really top-notch stuff. And the look of the set and build in general is beautiful. I think they did a great job of kind of capturing different sizes, different angles, interesting techniques on the roof. And this here is actually kind of like a little door that we're building, almost like a garage door for the workshop. And it has a really neat technique on how to open it that we'll see towards the end of the video. Here you can see how some of the electrical is ran, and that's what really gives you the lights on the inside. Really clever. They also use some parts that are unique to Lumibricks that allow you to run the wires throughout, so that you don't have to bend pieces or squish the wire. It all fits nicely in. And this roof has a mechanism that allows you to open it and close it, where that's where you access the battery pack for the lights. Now the lights, what's great is they've kind of thought of everything. You have the option to use a battery pack, or if you have one of those portable chargers, you can also use a USB directly plugged into a portable charger. So I think little things like that just show that a company's tested their products, they've tried them, and they've put in the effort to make sure that you get the most out of it. So here you see the technique on the roof, and like I talked about, those printed parts. Lots of cool signs in this one, lots of well-designed parts. Definitely the Western fonts, the look, everything is great. And yeah, beautiful colors. Again, I like how they matched kind of that tan and dark tan and orange and sand blue and sand green. What a beautiful, beautiful looking set. And tons of accessories. So here you see the Carpentry sign, but in front there's some plants, there's a barrel. We're packed with details throughout on this set, so that's really nice to see. And then the building techniques. You'll see in a moment how the roof attaches here and how they make room for the lights there. Those specialty parts that I alluded to earlier that make running the wires a piece of cake. So yeah, next up we're building a tree here, and I do like the colors here. They're kind of similar to other brands, but different. I'd say the sand green is a little bit different, and I don't think I've seen the beige or light green version of the leaves yet. Here we're attaching the roof, obviously very reminiscent of an old Western town as it's supposed to be. And I like how the front of the building can attach and detach on its own, so you can open up the set and play with it or rearrange things. And of course it can also open on the back. So what's really neat with this set is it looks great all the way around, and it's kind of closed off, so it's not an open set on the back, which is a nice balance of display and play, which is something I love to see. Here you can see some moving parts with the windmill, a beautiful feature to add in. Like this set, they didn't have to do that, but the fact that it features a windmill, some of these water pumps, and my favorite mechanism, this door opener. You can see the guy in front, he's got the workshop going. There's lots of wood, lots of parts still to build. You know, this build took us over the course of 2 weekends, several hours. Very enjoyable build. There wasn't really anything repetitive, some interesting techniques, and again, we love Westerns, so it's just a joy to look at. Here we see a shot of the full thing. I think it looks great. And then with the lights on, unfortunately, one of the battery packs required some smaller round batteries that we didn't have at the moment, but we'll make sure to acquire to get the full effect. But you get the idea of how many lights you get, how great it looks. It just kind of brings it to life. I find that lights on models make them look so much more real, so much cooler to display. And here's my favorite mechanism in action. It works so slick, so smooth. It's kind of cool. You know, he opens up his workshop, he's making coffins, and there's some more story to that too. So make sure you read the instructions to find out, you know, exactly what's happened, what's going on. Lots of fun there. So I think they knocked it out of the park with this set, honestly, and I'm excited and hopeful to get more Lumibricks Western Town sets. You'll see in a second what the whole lineup looks like, but this set in particular, I would say, is top-notch. Right amount of minifigures, some nice accessory things with the wagon, the wheelbarrow, the coffins. The tree looks great, the colors look great, the printed elements, everything is top notch. And when you look at the Western wave as a whole, they've got some great builds and also some unique and different things. So here we have the bank, we have some bandit camp, a stagecoach, a cowboy camp. I love this blacksmith, one of my favorite looking ones. Then we have an inn, which looks great. The Old West post office, I love the color on that one. The traveling circus, that's a unique concept that you don't see often. And then we have a mine, of course, a general store, a Western saloon, and an Old West sheriff's office. How beautiful would these all look displayed on a shelf? So that's our take of Lumibrick's Western Carpentry Workshop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget, let us know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you next time.